Over the last summer, Gemini has had incredible momentum. More than 900 million users are coming to the Gemini app every month. And a big part of that growth is how fast we're shipping. A year ago, none of these features existed. And now, Gemini has become the ultimate creative tool for everyone. You can create images, videos, and music in ways people never thought were possible. We've made Gemini more tailored with personal intelligence, allowing you to securely connect your Gmail, Photos, and other apps so you get customized help. And just last week, we expanded personal intelligence to users around the world directly in the app. Millions of people are using it every single day. They found it so helpful for things like personalized product recommendations or trip recommendations, or acting as a thought partner for navigating big decisions in life, like a career change, or in my case, finding the right set of tires for our super cool minivan that's going to be at that block party. We've made Gemini superb for students also over the last year. You can use it to create guided learning, generate practice tests, and even use dedicated notebooks to keep all your notes and assignments in one place. And these same notebooks sync directly to NotebookLM. Just on its own, NotebookLM has now been used to create more than 1.5 billion notebooks, podcasts, slide decks, and more, turning complex information into easy-to-understand knowledge. And as you heard from Sundar earlier, we're rolling out our new Gemini 3.5 Flash model, which is unlocking a new set of features that I'm going to show you today. All of this is happening in a Gemini app that's now available in more than 230 countries in over 70 languages, making Gemini the most widely available AI assistant in the world. Gemini is becoming that universal assistant people are turning to. It's designed for their everyday lives. And speaking of design, that brings us to the first of our 3 big updates today. Today, I'm excited to announce that we've completely redesigned the Gemini experience from the ground up. From the moment you open it, we've greeted you with a stunning new design language we call Neural Expressive. We've added fluid animations, vibrant colors, new topography, haptic feedback throughout the app. But we all know that good design isn't just about how it looks. Good design is about how it works. So we've involved the entire experience. We've made it easier to discover and generate those gorgeous images, videos, and music with built-in templates that you can easily remix. And we've completely transformed the Gemini Live experience. It now opens up immediately and in line. And soon, you'll be able to pick a regional dialect that resonates with you.
You've got a right good mix of different accents knocking about like this one from Liverpool.
हमारे भारतवर्ष में सैकड़ों ढाल की बोली बोली जावे। इब जेमिनाई उनमें तक कई और नई बोलियां में भी बात कर सके से, जैसे अपनी धाकड़ हरियाणवी।
Meu irmão, todo brasileiro sabe que o português aqui do Rio é bem diferente.
All right, pretty cool. We'll be rolling out these and many more regional dialects in the coming weeks. And my favorite part is how we handle model responses with our new Neural Expressive design language. That's where it really comes to life. You won't see a wall of text anymore. Instead, Gemini will carefully lay out its response in real time, just for you, like the generative UI you saw in Search. As you scroll, you might see interactive images that are custom generated by Gemini. You can drill into them like this and explore information on an entirely new level. You might even see timelines that you can quickly skim or embedded videos. So whether you're in dark mode or light mode, the entire experience feels fluid and futuristic and incredibly natural. Best of all, Neural Expressive is rolling out globally on Android, iOS, and the web starting right now. With a completely redesigned Gemini app as the new base, we can go even further with Gemini's creative abilities. And that's update number 2. Gemini Omni is coming right into the Gemini app for paid subscribers today. It's going to let you bring your ideas to life using any combination of text, images, and video inputs. And as I've been using it, it feels like the Nano banana for video moment is here. It's never been so easy to create and edit videos. Let's look how this plays out in the real world. I want you to meet Sashu. She's working on a new song, and she wants to create a quick video teaser. So she shares the raw video. She adds some reference visuals to it. And now this is the coolest part. She can transform the style of her video, maybe even switch the camera angle to a 360-degree shot. And Gemini puts it all together for her. Let's take a look at what it looks like. All done within Gemini. As you can see, Omni understands the physics of her movement. It intelligently layers those effects into the real world without losing the soul of her shot. Creating, remixing, editing videos has never been easier. So whatever vision is in her head, she can now use Gemini to make it real. Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers around the world can try Gemini Omni today, right in the app. The third update today is about how agents are coming to Gemini. This is a big shift for Gemini because agents don't just answer questions, they proactively work on your behalf. And to show you what this means, I want to introduce one of our newest out-of-the-box agents called the Daily Brief. It's a personalized digest that's designed to be your first stop every morning. Here's how it works. You can see here that it's synthesizing information from across my inbox, my calendar, my tasks. It's finding the most important things for me to be aware of. And I totally could forget these things, like that, returning that book. It's not just summarizing the data, though. It's organizing it by topic. It's even suggesting the next step. And with this travel info, I can just take the next step right in line. All of it is super concise in this morning digest that's built for skimming. And I can't wait for you to try it out. The Daily Brief is rolling out today also to Google AI, Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers, starting right here in the US. And that's just the help you're going to get before breakfast. Beyond the Daily Brief, we're allowing power users to create their own custom workflows with Gemini Spark, like I showed you earlier. You'll remember at the beginning of the show, we sent a few tasks off, so let's go check in on them, see how they've completed. And you'll remember when I did this earlier, I did it from the phone. So we're going to actually pull it up on the laptop to show how it syncs across. And if I open up here on the laptop, you can see it subdivided those 3 tasks right here, 1, 2, 3. And it's actually got a really nice feature. There's certain tasks they'll actually ask for your input so you can approve it, so it doesn't just go off and do things you don't want. But I'll check in this one here. This was our school year planning checklist. And I asked it, remember, to create a doc of all the things I didn't want to forget between now and the end of the year. And so I'll open this one up. And what's amazing about it is it takes advantage of all the Google Docs formatting. So I can immediately click in and see the checklist here for our various kids, all subdivided like this, and easily to go one by one. The date, the activity, the color coding, all integrated in one spot. Pretty incredible how much time this can save. Now, what comes across all of these cases is that we want to make agents easy to use and safe and secure. As a reminder, Spark's going to start rolling out to trusted testers this week, and we're planning to roll it out as a beta to Google AI Ultra subscribers next week in the US. We'll be bringing a version of Spark also to Gemini Workspace, as well as Gemini Enterprise. And this is just the beginning. We've got a packed roadmap of features we'll be shipping throughout the summer. It's going to be amazing. I'm really excited about the MCP integrations. That's going to enable Spark to handle so many tasks in ways that are even more proactive and powerful. Imagine, Spark will be able to look ahead on your calendar and see that you're on snack duty for your kid's T-ball game on Saturday. It can go ahead and proactively set up your Instacart order on its own so you don't forget those snacks. And it'll even remember to pick snacks that don't have nuts in them. And we have this incredible lineup of partners that are coming that will be integrating with Spark over the summer. Now, I know I've promised just 3 updates, but we have one more. Last month, we dropped the Gemini app for Mac OS. Here it is on the screen. It's gorgeous. This was a small team that built this native app from scratch using anti-gravity. They did over 100 features in less than 100 days. Now, 2 weekends ago, we were hacking on the Mac app, and we came up with something cool, and we wanted to sneak it into the show. You all want to see it live? Yeah. All right. We've got a big summer trip coming up, and we've got to find a kennel for our 2 dogs. And here's a picture of our 2 dogs. There's Hank, looking good, and Louis Cinnamon, one of the most interesting names for a dog we've ever heard. What we're going to do, and remember when you have to go to a new kennel, there's lots of paperwork. Allergies, vaccines, all the history you have to pull together. It's so painful. And so what you can do with this on Gemini on Mac OS is actually take a look at a bunch of documents like this. You'll be able to select them all and then long press the function key and just dictate the email to the kennel. So it works something like this. Hi there. I need to do a short boarding stay for my 2 dogs, Louis Cinnamon and Hank, starting this Thursday. Oh, wait, no, actually, it's this Friday. They've never stayed with you before, but they're very social dogs. And also, can you turn these files into a table with their details, allergies, recent vaccines, and make this email sound friendly so we make a good first impression? All right, I'm going to release the function key. You can see Gemini's thinking at the bottom here on this MacBook. What it's done is because I've selected those files in Finder, using its multimodal understanding, it can go through the PDF, it can go through these images of their invoices, and it's all controlled by my voice. So it can actually take all that complex information, and look at that, there it is. It's got a table in line. It's also so amazing because it corrects, remember I said Thursday, no, scratch that, Friday, and it picks up that and automatically cleans up my input. This is the power of what Gemini can do using your voice. These new voice capabilities and Gemini Spark will be coming to the Mac app this summer as well. And so there it is. Today has been a jam-packed Gemini day. We've completely redesigned the entire experience with Neural Expressive. We're shipping the brand new Gemini Omni model and the 3.5 Flash model with 3.5 Pro coming soon. And you can now put Gemini to work. And it'll keep working for you even while you sleep, thanks to new features like the Daily Brief and Gemini Spark. All of this gets us closer to our vision of a universal assistant that's personal, proactive, and powerful in your daily life. So whether you're a student, a busy parent, or a small business owner, we look forward to what you're going to be able to do with Gemini. Thank you.